Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a little update to Windows 11 with a name. So, Windows 10, you guys remember they had different names for it, the Creators Update, and then there's all sorts of, names that they would give to it. Sometimes we were wondering where these names came from. So in some documentation and setup, the new version of Windows 11, which is going to happen on September the 20th, apparently, version 22H2, or like what I call Windows 11 2.0, is going to come as a simple name of the Windows 11 2022 update. So that's as simple as that. That's the name it's going to have. So when you apparently install it for the first time, and you'll get a pop-up that's going to say, well, you've upgraded to the latest version, it's going to say, welcome to the version 2022 update, or Windows 11 2022 update. So we got a name now. Apart from that, we are waiting for better information, a lot more information about, what's next, because Microsoft hasn't said much. Even the September 20th date is a date that was given out by several people, including people at Windows Central. So they probably are correct, I would guess, but Microsoft has still not said anything about it. We know it's pretty much finished. It's still tested in the beta and release preview rings, but we are also waiting for the more information that they'll give us about the famous moments. Now, I did talk about it last week. What we know yet this week, what we know right now, is that Windows 11 22H2 is going to be at September 20th. It will have a certain number of new features. We already talked about most of them here on the channel, but I'll have a recap as we get closer to the official release. I'll have a video that's going to kind of recap the major features, or the features, not that many, and a lot of them not what people want. And after that, we're going to have a moment this year. So apparently, we'll have some update with some new features before the end of the year. And next year, 2023, we're supposed to have 4 moments for Windows 11, which would technically probably give us, by the end of next year, maybe they'll do a little update and say in the name and say, well, welcome to the Windows 11 2023 update. I don't know. And of course, there's always that mysterious lingering thing about going back to a 3-year schedule of new Windows updates. So now we're kind of wondering, what's the future of Windows 11 exactly? Are we already talking about moving on, and lots of rumors for Windows 12, maybe in 2024. We'll see all that as time goes by, but, well, we're going to have Windows 11 2022 update coming around September the 20th for most people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.